Alright guys, we're on the 8th video. So let's do this. A line perpendicular to 1/2 x minus 5 and goes through 8, 3. So remember once again that perpendicular is you flip the fraction. Okay, perpendicular is you flip the fraction, make it negative. So first let's find our m. Alright, so we're going to flip this. It's going to become 2 over 1. Because it's because this one's positive, this is going to be negative. They give you x, which is 8. They give you y, which is 3. That came from this point right here. X 8, y 3. So we're going to plug it into y equals mx plus b. So we know y is 3. We know m is negative 2 because negative 2 divided by 1 is still negative 2. X is 8. We know plus b. Multiply this out, you get negative 16. This is 3 plus b. We're going to add 16 to both sides. Becomes 19 equals b. So now we know our x. We know our m. We know our b. So it's y equals negative 2x plus 19. And that's how that works. We need to find a line parallel to y equals 3x minus 5 and goes through 6, 2. Alright then. Parallel. Remember, parallel means it has the same slope. So because it has the same slope, we're going to use this 3 right here. So we know our m is 3. Thank you. We know that our x, alright, this is our x, this is our y. We know our x is 6. We know our y is 2. So we're going to be plugging this into y equals mx plus b. So we know our y is 2. We know our m is 3. We know our x is 6. Okay? So we're going to multiply. That gives you 18 plus b equals 2. Subtract 18, subtract 18. b equals negative 16. So we know our b, we know our m. Let's plug this in. Y equals 3x minus 16. Perpendicular. Once again, perpendicular means we had to flip the fraction. But you'll notice 3 is not actually in fraction form. So if we actually had this in fraction form, it would be 3 over 1. To flip it means we'd flip the 1/3. Our m is going to equal 1/3. We're going to change it from positive to negative. So this is positive, it's going to be negative. We know our x is 6. We know our y is 2. Okay. Let's plug this in. So that's 2 equals negative 1/3 6 plus b. Means 2 equals, when you multiply this out, it becomes negative 2 plus b. You add 2, b equals 4. Okay, then what we do is we know our b, we know our m, so we're going to take y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. That is all that is for perpendicular. Now, if you came for the special word, I don't know if I said this yet. It's Kris Kringle or Santa Claus, either way you want to say it. Kris Kringle or Santa Claus. All right. Okay. This part's going to get people confused. Alright, so let's first start with, if something's like this, okay, so you have your absolute value signs, you have your parentheses, and you have your square root, okay? If something's inside it, okay, inside it, like right here, where it's inside of it, if you're adding or you're subtracting, okay, if you're adding, you're going left. If you're adding, you're going right. Okay? This tells you which way you're going to go. Okay, now if it's outside, so if it's like, I don't know, say x squared plus, or square x plus, or absolute value of x minus, all right, whatever it is. So if you're adding, if you're doing this, if you're adding for that, you're going up, and if you're subtracting that, you're going down. Okay, these are what's known as the shifts. Okay, so this first one. Okay, we have a -2 inside the parentheses. So negative means right. So it means we're going right 2. And since we have a +2 outside of it, we're going up 2. So we're going right 1, 2, going up 1, 2. So we're going right 1, 2, we're going up 1, 2. So we're doing that with all of them. So right here, we're going right 1, 2, we're going up 1, 2. So then it makes a little thing like this. Okay? That's how that one works. This other one right here. Now we have nothing inside any parentheses, all we got is a +4, so that means we're going to just move everything up 4. So this goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so on and so forth. It's going to look like that. So this was just a vertical shift. This one had a vertical and horizontal. This was just a vertical shift. Alright, thank you.